Features of modern family. First feature, decreased control of the marriage contract. Marriage is the basis of family. In traditional family, the marriage was contracted by the parents. The marriage ceremony was based on the principle of male dominance and female obedience. In modern family, people are less subject to the parental control concerning whom and when they shall marry. The marriage is now settled by the partners themselves. It is choice of mate by mate, usually preceded by courtship or failing in love. Second, changes in the relationship of men and women. In modern family, the woman is not the devotee of man, but an equal partner in life with equal rights. The husband now does not dictate but only request the wife to do a task for him. She is now emancipated of the man's slavery. She is no longer the worker and slave of olden days. She can divorce her husband, as the husband can divorce her. She can prosecute the husband for her rights. Laxity in sex relationship. The rigidity traditionally associated with sexual relationship no longer characterizes the modern family. Cases of illegitimate sex relationship of the husband and wife too can be seen in modern family. Four, economic independence. Women in modern family have attained an increasing degree of economic independence. It is not only the husband who leaves the home for work, but it is also the wife who goes out of doors for work. The percentage of women employed outside the home is continuously on the increase. In India, the number of women goes out for employment is steadily increasing. Five, smaller family. The modern family is a smaller family. It is no longer a joint family. Moreover, the tendency is to have a smaller family. And the contraceptives help in checking the birth. Six, decline of religious control. The modern family is secular in attitude. The religious eaters of the traditional family, such as early prayer, yoga, etc., are no longer performed in modern family. Marriage also has become civil contract rather than religious sacrament. It can be broken at any hour. The authority of religion over the conditions of marriage, and the divorce has markedly declined. Divorce is a frequent occurrence in modern family. Seven, separation of non-essential functions. The modern family has given up a great many functions which were performed by the traditional family. These functions have now been taken over by specialized agencies. Thus, the hospital offers room for the birth of child. In the nursing home, he is brought up in the playgroup. He is educated, and in the playground, he recreates. 8, philocentric family. In the modern family, the trend is towards the philocentric family. The philocentric family is one wherein the children tend to dominate, and their wishes determine the policy of family. In modern family, physical punishment is rarely awarded to the children. The children now decide which school they will study, in what clothes they will wear, what food will be cooked, and which move they will go to enjoy. 9, decay of patriarchal family to matriarchal family. The modern families gradually decay from patriarchal family to matriarchal family due to economic independence of women, the industrial revolution, cultural changes, and demographic institutions empowering women. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.